Hello dear students and teachers, welcome back to my channel. Finally, the decision on SLC exams have been made by the Education Minister. The SLC exams will be conducted but with new exam pattern. In this video, we'll check the exam pattern, probable dates, instructions and model papers and with study plan. Do watch the complete video. Make yourself prepared for the upcoming SLC exams. Not to worry, not to panic. It's just an exam. Students, this year's SLC exam consists of two papers. Both the papers will be of objective type, that is multiple choice questions. In both the papers, you will have only multiple choice questions. Paper 1 consists of core subjects mathematics, science and social science. Each subject is of 40 marks multiple choice questions. In total, paper 1 contains 120 multiple choice questions for 120 marks. Students, let me repeat. Paper 1 core subjects maths, science and social 40 marks each. In total, paper 1 contains 120 multiple choice questions for 120 marks. Similarly, paper 2 is languages, first language, second language and third language, each for 40 marks. In total, 120 MCQs for 120 marks. Paper 2 consists of languages, 40 marks each. In total, 120 marks, 120 multiple choice questions. Students, let me summarize. This year's SLC exam consists of two papers. Paper 1, core subjects, maths, science and social, combined 120 multiple choice questions for 120 marks. In the same way, paper 2 consists of languages, that is first language, second language and third language. 120 multiple choice questions, 120 marks. Better to make a note of this. Students and teachers, model paper solutions, chapter wise important multiple choice questions, that is objective type questions, will be uploaded soon in my channel to help you to prepare for the exams. So don't miss out any video. Do subscribe the channel and share with your friends and students. Students, as per press meet by Education Minister, the exams will be conducted in the third week of July. In prior, the exam dates will be announced. Students, importantly, the model paper for new pattern of question paper, that is objective type question paper, will be released by KSEEB in few days of time. We'll wait for it. As soon as they release it, I'll prepare the key answers and I'll upload in my channel. Students, the important instruction you need to follow in the exam is, for example, I have chosen a question. The national animal of India is. There are four options. Option A lion, option B fox, option C tiger, option D dog. Now the correct answer is, we know that option C tiger. Now what you need to do, choose the correct answer and shade it in the OMR sheet which will be provided in the examination. Shade it using black or blue ballpoint pen only as shown. For first question there are 4 options A, B, C, D. The correct answer is option C. So shade on only option C. This question I have taken just for example. Choose the correct answer and shade it in the OMR sheet using black or blue ballpoint only. Students, importantly, do not shade more than one option so it will not be evaluated, will not get marks. Be careful when you are shading the answer. The more detailed instructions will be provided in answer booklet or OMR sheet. Read it thoroughly, then start your exam. Students, now we have a idea that when the exams will be conducted, almost nearly we have around 50 days. Don't worry, don't panic. Be calm. As you know, already you have put enough effort for your exam. Just you need to revise and just you need to have a mindset that just the exam pattern has been changed. For new exam pattern, you need to read textbook and prepare your own objective type questions either in the form of fill in the blanks or multiple choice questions so that you can cover maximum questions from each unit. Students, as you know, the questions will be direct, so not to worry, be thorough with the textbook, make points, just enjoy yourself by reading the textbook, take everything in a positive way, be confident. You are always a champion because you have put your effort. The efforts will never be wasted. Just what you need to do now is just put little bit more effort. The success will be yours. Maximum, I'll try to put the objective types or multiple choice questions unit wise. Do watch it, make a note of it, read textbook, discuss with your teachers and friends and be confident about the concept. Best wishes for your exams and for your future. Not to worry, let's face it happily.